The Barreto Manufacturing RTK Track Series trenchers are a powerful addition to the lineup of high-quality Barreto equipment. The RTK Track Series trenchers are available in two models. The 20 RTK, featuring the Honda GX630 engine, and the 23 RTK, powered by the Honda GX690 engine, or the Briggs Vanguard 23 horsepower V-twin. Both models are extremely efficient, low maintenance, very reliable, and easy to maintain, which means less time with your mechanic, more time in the field, and maximum return on your investment. RTK Track Series trenchers are a full-size machine and have the same key features as our smaller track trenchers. An innovative track system and frame design provide both stability and maneuverability. And the RTK Track Series trenchers are easily hauled on the Barreto 4x6 TBT tilt bed utility trailer and easily towed behind any vehicle to the job site. And like all Barreto manufacturing equipment, the RTK Track Series trenchers are safe and very easy to use, starting with the control panel, featuring well-labeled levers with instructions. The RTK Track Series trenchers all feature standard electric start, and on the control panel, the throttle and digging boom levers are on the left, the track drive levers in the middle, and the digging chain controls are on the right. The RTK Track Series trenchers feature adjustable trenching controls, or ATC, which can be positioned to modify the trenching speed of the tracks individually while in use. While utilizing the individual track controls, the operator has the ability to keep their trench straight, even when working on uneven terrain. And the RTK Track Series trenchers also feature a 14-gallon hydraulic fluid reservoir and hydraulic cooler with incorporated fan that keeps a steady flow of fluid to the machine, and the oil temperature is regulated. Well made and constructed of quality materials, the RTK Track Series trenchers weigh 1,690 pounds and are powerful enough to dig through the toughest soil conditions at depths of up to 48 inches, with 4 and 6 inch wide chain size options. Whether you are a private homeowner with extensive trenching projects, a contractor, or an equipment rental business, Barreto equipment like the RTK Track Series trenchers are powerful, efficient, easy to maintain, and will provide you with maximum return on your investment for years to come. Manufactured in the remote mountain community of La Grande, Oregon, the Barreto Manufacturing RTK Track Series trenchers are proudly made in America by professionals that take pride in making the highest quality equipment. From laser cutting the parts out of American steel, to the welding, powder coating, and the final assembly, Barreto's professional staff makes every piece of equipment and tests it before loading it on a truck for delivery. Barreto Manufacturing is a company that stands behind its brand as one of the innovators in landscaping and tree service equipment.